आज के जनरेशन में अक्सर एक मिसमैच है स्टूडेंट्स में, मतलब बच्चों में या फिर यंग एडल्ट्स जो कि स्टूडेंट्स है और पेरेंट्स में। पेरेंट्स को पेरेंट्स एक अपने जमाने में जी रहे हैं और स्टूडेंट्स अभी के जमाने में जी रहे हैं। तो एक मिसमैच की वजह से क्या होता है, बहुत सारा फ्रिक्शन क्रिएट होता है और बच्चों को ऐसा लगता है कि पेरेंट्स उनकी नहीं समझते और पेरेंट्स को ऐसा लगता है कि बच्चों को पता नहीं, नादान है वो।
करेक्ट।
तो इस वजह से बच्चा अगर कोई एक करियर पाथ चूज करना चाह रहा है, पेरेंट्स समझते नहीं है, तो स्टूडेंट्स क्या कर सकते हैं कि वो अपने पेरेंट्स को अंडरस्टैंड करा सके कि यार वो जो पैथ पे चलना चाहते हैं उसमें भी अच्छा स्कोप है, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली दे वुड बी हैप्पी डूइंग दैट।
Okay, I'll give you an example here. So I had a 10th standard child come to me, and जब वो आया था हमने career testing किया, and this is something that I tell everybody, if you are in school, please do a career test, because while someone's aspiration might be that मैं engineer बनूंगा, नहीं तो मैं architect बनूंगा, please check if you have the tools, and that's what career testing does for you, right? The bacha came, the bacha did the test. Obviously science का aptitude आया, liberal arts का भी aptitude आया. Okay, intelligence was good and high, but the real interest and the real personality was towards liberal arts. And the constant battle was from the parents to me was, पर मेरा बेटा साइंस कर सकता है कि नहीं? And as a therapist and as somebody who conducted the psychometric, I explained very clearly that, see, your child's interest, okay, which is very important. Like today you do what you do because you have great amount of happiness and interest doing it.
Right.
So it's very easy for you to do it. You really want someone to succeed, you need to take all the parameters and make sure that it is in the thing that the person wants to do. वो बहुत important चीज होती है, that you put them in the right direction where they want to go, right? I do understand that, money, liberal arts, India, not as hot and happening as other, professions are with respect to money. But I really think that this is very important to acknowledge, because we also have this constant, the suicide rates of, all these students constantly rising, competitive exams. Is it really worth it? Is it really worth it? Is it really worth losing your child? Today, while your child has science aptitude, बच्चे को music करना है. We live in an age where today even music is making money. It is hard, but what profession is easy? Right? You're going to put in the effort. You may as well put it into something that you really want to do, and that is very important. So my advice would be that if you are not able to get through to your parents, अगर तुम communicate नहीं कर सकते हो और parents, they cannot understand. Yes, there are certain circumstances that finances play a very big role, and it's very important, and sometimes parents sort of displace their own insecurities, and if they were not able to be engineers, they want to make their kids engineers or doctors or whatever.
Or they believe that particular degree would get them and the family respect in their social group.
Or just move the kids forward, because kids don't understand what they are saying, जैसे आपने बोला था, kids at that age,
बच्चों को नादान समझते हैं, आपने दुनिया देखी कहाँ है, आपको क्या मालूम, आटे दाल का भाव नहीं मालूम, बाहर जाओगे दुनिया में तभी.
Absolutely. So while all of those things are fair and true as well, I think this is very important now to move people forward in this direction where, they are also happy.
Right.
So as a collective, we can change that narrative, and it's important that if you are not able to talk to your parents, every institution has a mental health practitioner. Okay, maybe not a full-time one, but a part-time one. Please make an appointment with your college or your school. Get your parents to come.
Okay.
Let the professional explain कि yes, there is an aptitude. Science कर सकता है, but probably very unhappy and very miserable and not walking down where the child wants to go. So if you really want a collective of happy people, it would be great if there would be some sense of support.
Right. And also, I think for the parents, अगर parents बच्चों से ये dialogue कर सके कि आपको किस में इंटरेस्ट है और उस चीज पे थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करके मतलब उस एंगल से मतलब बच्चे के भी पर्सपेक्टिव से देखने की कोशिश करें
Correct.
और एक क्लियर डायलॉग अगर हो कि देखो प्रैक्टिकली अभी सिचुएशन ये है कि बच्चे को ये करने का मन कर रहा है और उसमें उसका दिल लग रहा है, पैशन है, सो विच मीन्स कि एक बहुत स्ट्रांग फोर्स है जो उसको करियर में ड्राइव करेगा आगे. बट एट द सेम टाइम पेरेंट्स के कंसर्न्स भी वो सामने रखे कि देखो इसमें हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि इतना ये नहीं है, तो आई थिंक कोई मिडिल ग्राउंड निकल सकता है
It's important.
जहां पे दोनों खुश है.
Yeah, and it's important, you know, if you feel like, let's say, music is not going to bring you money, art is not going to bring you money, or, you know, there are these professions that people feel that don't make money. It depends. It's subjective. Number one, I've seen and met a lot of successful artists. So it's really what you do with what you have. Again, talk to people who are in the field. It's very important.
Get some exposure.
To get some exposure, not just for you, but for your parents also, to feel a little confident that times have changed. It's a tangible. I need to see the tangible. As a parent, I need to believe that there's light at the end of the tunnel. Right? I'm also investing in you. I'm with you in this journey. I also need to see something.
Right.
So it's important to do these things.
अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आई तो पूरे पॉडकास्ट का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में. इंडल्ज एंड एंजॉय.